Do you think viruses should be considered as a living thing? Well, what are viruses? Viruses are an infective agent that typically consists of a nucleic acid molecule in a protein coat that is too small to be seen by the naked eye or the light microscope, and it is able to multiply itself only within the living cell of a host. Do we think viruses should be considered as a living thing? Well, in our opinion, our team don't think that viruses are considered as a living thing. Viruses are not made out of cells like other living organisms. They can't keep themselves in a stable state unless they are on a host organism. They don't grow, nor can they make their own energy. Though they do replicate and adapt to the environment, viruses are more like androids than living organisms. Just like robots, viruses are created fully formed to rely onto the host cell to build and power themselves.
A research conducted by Stanley portrays viruses as more of a chemistry set than an organism. It is because when it is just the viruses alone itself, it is inactive. However, when a living cell is their host cell, they start reacting, replicating, and building powers. Viruses parasitize all biomolecular aspects of life. Yes, they depend on the host cell for the raw materials and energy necessary for nucleic acid synthesis, protein synthesis, processing and transporting, any form that allows the virus to multiply and spread, but this doesn't mean they're alive. Viruses can resemble the seed of a fruit or vegetable. In such a way, it is not necessarily alive, but has the potential to reproduce and become alive. They are on the verge of life in a way. Hence why our team concludes that viruses should not be considered as a living thing.